Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BOTMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 0, B is 3, C that 6 and D is 9. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them if you are going left to right. So which is coming first, so you have to solve that operation first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So in this expression, we have to solve this bracket, which is 5 minus 2. And other parts, we will write as it is. So here we will write like 3 raised to power 2 divided by and 5 minus 2 which is equals to 3 and multiply by 3 minus 3 raised to power 2 we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 5 minus 2 equals to 3. First step which is bracket and parenthesis. Now we have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So we have to solve this one, which is first we have here two numbers which has the power. So first we have to solve first one, which is 3 raised to power 2. So 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. Multiply by 3 again minus 3 raised to power 2. We will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. Now move forward. Step number 2, we will revise again because we have another 3 raised to power 2 is right. This one 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 minus 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3 which is equals to 9. And here we have to give the reference like 3 raised to it becomes. Now we have solved two steps and now we have to go for division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So what you have to do now, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 9 divided by 3. So we will divide these two terms and get the answer is 3. Multiply by 3 minus 9. And here we have to give the reference 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. Now we have to go again left to right and find out multiplication and division. So now we have this multiplication, which is 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9 minus 9. And here we have to give the reference 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 0. So the answer of the given expression is 0. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression, you can find out what mass method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.